is Neffos X1 Max, and let me show you how to clear credentials on this device. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select screen lock, fingerprint and security right here. Go a bit lower and you will notice more security settings. Mark it, and here you've got credential storage. So actually I do have them cleared, but if it's not, if you still have some certificates and licenses in your Neffos, this tab will be active, and all you need to do is to tap on it and then confirm the action. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.